First we need to install Node.js. I must mention that I already have this installed, but you can follow the link in the description to see where is located. After installing Node.js on your computer, in this case I am using a Mac, we need to enter the reactjs.org website and we will type on the search bar create new React app. This is a toolchain to have a better experience when developing a React application, since it will generate for us all the basic integrations to run a ReactJS application. After entering on the search result as seen on this video, you will encounter some description that will explain how to use the tool. In this case we will scroll down and see the title Create React App. And follow the commands shown down below. Next open your terminal and type the command seen on the documentation. In this case we will create a to-do application using React. After typing the command with the name, press enter and wait for it to finish loading. Remember, this might take a few minutes depending on your computer performance. After the Create React App command line interface finishes installing all dependencies needed to run ReactJS, you will need to enter the project. In this case you need to type the following command seen on the video. Remember, you will need a code editor to edit future code as we work along. Okay, now that we have entered the project file that you previously named, in this case we named it to-do app. We will now type the next command, that is npm start. After this is being ran, you can open on your browser localhost on port 3000 and then see the default React message indicating that the default React application has been successfully created. On the next episode we will cover how to do our first React component. Stay tuned.